My name is Sam, and this is my life as a Muslim in Japan.
Hi! My Pinoy mates!
Did you know
Bakit? So where are we going?
Center Street. Center Street. Di ba
Center
mag-GU
Street.
tayo?
Yeah, okay, fine. So, East Exit tayo? We're going to Daiso because mayayaman kami. Ay, GU pa pala. So yeah, diba? Welcome to my vlogging era, girl. Uy, ang ganda ng lighting. My God. Let's take a picture. Okay, actually it's a video, but yeah,
Same but different.
we're looking for Michelle right now. Like we want to surprise her with a cake, but we can't find her. Saan siya? We have been planning to surprise her with a cake kasi birthday niya nung nakaraan.
チョコプレートに入れるお名前なんですけど、ネーム
Ang galing ni Ira. Palusot. Kinuha niya si Michelle doon. Ayun, sila dalawa.
sabi ko, uy,
Kasi nag-order kami, tapos nandito si Michelle. So, ang galing ni Ira.
Reference tayo sa tattoo na ba? Oh, ako.
Wala, may nakita lang ako.
Nagkatawa siya kasi sa naitabo na to. Ito naman dito.
Yeah.
We can review.
Oh, that's
Oh, cute.
That's nice.
Iba talaga ang hapon.
Yeah, the packaging itself is
Arigatou gozaimasu. Gusto natin, di ba? First, wala natin sa coffee.
Michelle, that was not really for Jopi, that was for you. It's a belated happy birthday.
Hindi, anak ko lang to silent lang tayo. Pero later tayo pakain ka, baka may call.
Good morning. It's the second day, or it's Tuesday. It's the second day of this vlog, and today we'll have a seminar. The summer school was done yesterday, and today it's going to be a seminar for new ALTs in Kobe City, Japan. And yeah, I have to drink coffee. I will also bring coffee with me because I know it's going to be a boring day. I was sorry for that way, but yeah, it's gonna be something like you'll feel sleepy during seminar. But yeah, better kape. So yeah, I'm outside and look, it's gloomy, and it's raining, but just raindrops.
Dito sa amin, iwan something.
wala na, settled na.
Hi, we're having dinner. Ay,
Talaga, hindi ko yung nakita.
Pinart ko nga eh. So we're done. We're done eating. In a flash. Yun lang. Today was Since yesterday, nakakapagod. But yeah, it's okay. So, you want to sit? Let's go. Yeah, so we will go now. And I went to Daiso again. I went to Daiso yesterday. I went to Daiso again today. Okay, you want to get your things? Wait a moment. So, eto na nga. Pumasok kami sa maling. Hindi kami makalabas. Nandun sa kabilang antayan ng tren. What are we gonna do now?
Ay, feeling ko mag-load na din ako.
If I go in, what will happen? If I go in, what will happen? If I go in, oh my God.
Ano ka, masasarapan. Kanina nagulat ako, nakasigaw ako.
So, umabot kami ng Rocco Station.
Pabalik.
Mga mukhang ano. Okane?
Hasigo.
Watashi wa sta.
Sta.
No
Kira.
okane, no okane.
Hello, it's the third day of this vlog and it's Wednesday today. And yeah, as you can see, I'm at home. I'm staying at home today because it's still my summer leave. I still have 2 days and today I cleaned up my apartment. Nothing much for today. I just ate breakfast and I ate breakfast that was from the combini before yesterday. So yeah, I put it in the fridge. Then I used my microwave to heat it this morning. Now it's currently 1:35 in the afternoon. It's Miranda time. I'm still on my laptop right now doing stuff. Hey, good morning. This is the fourth day of this vlog. It's Thursday and I'm going to work today, so I'm just done preparing my baon. So that is shrimp and squid fillet, scrambled eggs, and rice that I just cooked last night. And that's for my breakfast. That's the same. Of course, it's the same. Ohayou gozaimasu. Morning. This is it's Thursday and I'm going to school. That's my apartment there. It's a good morning. So, yun nga. 6:54 and I have to be at school at 8 o'clock. 1 hour din kasing biyahe ko. Lakad and trains. It's so hot. I'm now walking to my school from the station. And look, butil-butil yung pawis ko. Darating ka sa school, hindi ka na fresh. Oh my God, I can't wait for autumn. So yeah, this one. Ay, ang init! Ano ba? Ang cute mo. So ito na nga, malapit na ako sa school. The most exciting part is I forgot the pin number, the pin code of our gate. So hindi ako makakapasok unless I will ring the bell and my principal will open it for me. Oh, nakalimutan ko yung number and then yung tinake note ko naiwan sa bahay. I just got off from work, from school, and now I'm walking, going to the station. And yeah, it's still 4 o'clock and it's very hot. Look at that. Dapat pala doon ako sa kabila na dumaan. Cheese and mayo. Parang ang laki niya, no? Parang hindi mo mauubos kasi ang laki niya. Custard bread, coffee, creamer. Aha. Ano sabi niya?
Di ba, buns yung binibigay nila?
Ang cute! Dito ako bumili ng bahay. Train station and we're going to the beach. Sumo Beach. 120. Ayoko nga wala din ang kusuma.
O sige, dyan muna kayo. Pag walang bacon, bibili ako ng bacon.
Wala na ako iinumin. Mind my face right now, so I have a very oily face. That is Sydney Beach. This is my first time here. It looks so nice. Sana all. Sana all.
May bagong hobby si Sam, oh. May pinupuntirya siya doon.
Good morning. So it's Friday and I'm still gonna spend my summer leave today, and yeah, maglalaba tayo. And then later on, pupunta tayo na mosque to pray. Yay!
I'm going to the mosque today. So cute. Alhamdulillah, so yeah, just a few steps away. And yeah, it's still 11:30. So we're done. I'm done praying, and now I'm going to donkey. Dito na tayo. Let's go in. So these are the things that I bought from Donkey, and I don't know, this is my first time trying Japanese products or Japanese cosmetic. So yeah, that's all for that 1 week vlog. So yeah, that's all, and yeah, please follow me or subscribe to my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Same name, As a Muslim in Japan. Bye! Again, this is Sam.